think you know, Jay. Inside, there's another. Break it. I removed Jess.
What? What do you say?
Thank you.
What's that?
Do you like it?
Paano ganyan?
Parang ganito. Ano yun?
Ano ba yun?
Ano ba yun?
Ano yan?
I don't know. Maybe it's a minion.
You like it?
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Huh?
And it's a hard disk.
Unay sendi. Akay. Disappointed yun. Hindi na nga tinapos buksan eh.
Daddy.
Tabi na natin.
Oh, tabi na.
Okay na pa.
What is that a menu?
Oh, ito na.
What is that?
Wow!
Jelly Factory. Ano ba to? Jelly?
Minion?
What?
You like
Yeah.
ito?
Yeah? Open it. Good. It's okay. This one. Yeah, open it. Ganda yan.
Mommy, look.
What?
Look at it. I just opened it. I just had for Daddy.
Can you see?
We got number 1.
Wow!
And then
Si Ate Nelly yata nagtimpa niya kay Boy na yan kanina.
2.
Wow!
And number 2.
Amazing! What's this? Ano ba to?
Yes.
It's...
A minion.
it looks like is this it's like a Lego?
How is it like a minion?
Wow, collect all 4 to build the complete jelly factory. Wow! This one is good. Wow! Thank you, Ninong Jay. Oh, build natin yan tomorrow, okay? Build natin tomorrow, okay? Okay?
I can do it.
Oh yeah, tomorrow.
First, number 1.
Can you see this one? May number ba to? Where's the number?
Number
What, this one? Let's find out. How are we gonna play this? Ano to, guys? Open natin to. Baka may dito, mga instructions, diba?
yeah.
Oh, get. What's inside? Get it. Uy.
Oh, now it's me.
Okay, let's open this one. Open. Ganda ka. Dito. Tear it here. Yun. Oh! What? So many pieces? You are gonna build it. I think this one is stored.
Look at this. This looks like a brain.
What? A brain?
Yeah.
Yeah. This one looks like a brain. Oh, this one is Otto. The name of this character is Otto, the fruit handler. No, this is not a brain. This a fruit. What kind of fruit is this one?
This name is a grapes.
Grapes? Yeah.
Yeah. It was called green.
Yeah. Okay, open this one. No. Dito. Tear it here. Wait lang. Let me help you. Ito, hold it. Here. Open mo siya. Oh, buksan mo, guys. You can do it. Tear it. You have to tear it. Pag ganun. Shh. Ganito na ka. Ganito. Enter it. Yun ang instructions. Ganito ka pa?
Hindi ba?
Hindi na po. Ayun. So, open mo. Ang instructions. Yun pala yun. Abubuo mo pala si Minion. Anong sabihin mo kay Ninong?
Thank you.
Thank you, Ninong Jay.
Thank you, Ninong Jay.
Wow naman. Tingnan natin. So first, you need, this one is Otto. The name of this character is Otto. Ayun no. First step, you need to get the eye. Pay attention to the direction of the parts. Where's Otto's eye? Let's get the eye of Otto. This one is the eye. Okay, so this one. Tapos, you need to get that black piece. Where's that one? This one. Oh, you put the eye here. Dito. Dapat nakatingin siya sa baba. Ayan, dito. Press it. Yun. Tapos, okay. You get the body yellow. Yung teeth niya. Yung may teeth. Hindi, mamaya pa yan, nak. Yun may teeth muna. Yan, that one. Tapos this one. Hindi, ihiwalay mo muna siya. Ito, lagay mo muna siya dito. Ang kailangan mong kuhanin ay ito. This one. Tignan mo. Sabi niya, kunin mo daw yung teeth. So, ito yung middle. Dito siya. Tapos ito. Ito yung back. Saan yung isa pang? May isa pang yellow. Ayun, nandito pala oh. Yun, ang teeth. Hindi, dito na, dito malagay. Dito.
Is that under?
Pag ganun. Ito oh, sabi rito. Ito, follow mo to. Follow mo. Ay, mamaya na natin buuin pagkatapos ng school. Koy, ha? To be continued.